A new antihypertensive drug, drug Y, has just been trialled and the results are now available for analysis. With drug Y, 300 patients were treated, of which 44 died, and in the placebo group, 90 patients were treated and 30 died. So we're being asked, what is the number needed to treat for drug Y? So there's a couple of equations we need for this sort of question. So the first one is that the number needed to treat is equal to 1 divided by the absolute risk reduction. And the absolute risk reduction is equal to the event rate in the control group, ERC, minus the event rate in the treatment group, ERT. So first of all, we'll work out the event rate in the control group being the placebo group. And in this, we know that 30 patients out of 90 died. So the event rate in the control group is 30 over 90, which equals 0.333. We then need to work out ERT, the event rate in the treatment group. And we know that 44 patients out of 300 died. So the event rate here is 44 divided by 300, which equals 0.147, which is much better. So that gives us the absolute risk reduction. So the absolute risk reduction is equal to the event rate in the control group, 0.333, minus the event rate in the treatment group, 0.147, which equals 0.1863. But we haven't stopped there. We want the number needed to treat, so we refer back to this equation. So the number needed to treat is equal to 1 divided by the absolute risk reduction. So 1 divided by 0.1863, and that equals 5.37. Again, we don't stop there, because another rule with number needed to treat is we always round up. Now that's unusual, because normally when we round a figure, we round up or down depending on, so if we've been asked to round to the nearest whole number, we would round up or down to whichever is nearest. So if we're following normal rules for most other questions, this will be rounded down to 5. But with the number needed to treat, we always round up. So our answer here is that the number needed to treat is 6. Okay, so remember that rule, always round up to the nearest whole number.